Shandong Keyu Special Automobile Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2012 with 90 million investment and a building area of 60,000 square meters in Shan County, Hezhi City, Shandong Province. We have over 128 mature employees, 5 senior engineer and 30 professional mechanics. Keyu is one of the earliest manufacturers engaged in electric vehicles like electric small cars, electric pickup, electric street sweepers, electric garbage truck, electric washing and cleaning vehicles, and high-level customized electric vehicles. It has owned its VIN code and WMI code, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and CE certification. There are 3 modern workshops with several professional equipment, such as laser cutter, special steel plate laser cutting machine, suspension cold riveting machine, CNC bending machine, dual CNC bending machine, auto spare parts process machine, auto welding robot arm, auto electrophoresis line, automatic painting arms, assembly lines. All these spare parts help to guarantee the product's quality and the production period. It makes efforts to improve companies' creativity and developing ability. Core competitive. Dedicated to be the best new energy special automobile manufacturer as the mission and strategy. Keeps customer orient as company core culture. Adhere to innovation, community, environmental protection. Keyu was spoken highly of by its good quality products, the after-sales service, and the honestly characteristics.